Hey guys, it's Andrew with 102 Ironworks Trailer Manufacturing located in Shawnee, Oklahoma. And today we had this 28 foot by 83 inch Challenger series car hauler. It's got a two-tone black top, white sides, 8-lug axles, 14K GVWR, double brake. The customer went with upgraded aluminum mag wheels that they are putting on themselves. Beautiful trailer. Customer went with extra clearance lights down the sides. Easy track all the way down on each side. Chandler tongue box. Adjustable 2 5/16 coupler. Our step plate. 7-way plug holder. Safety breakaway kit system. Your heavy duty safety chains. Gooseneck jack. Walk y'all around the trailer. Eight tie-down D-rings. The easy track is lined up with the D-rings all the way down. Hope everybody enjoyed this custom build. If anybody has any questions or wants to order a trailer, please reach out to us at 405-878-8704 and we'll get you fixed up or sent over to our nearest dealer. Thanks guys, have a blessed weekend.